GarageBand. You go to plus, then go to audio recorder. Some certain setting you need to put away. Take for example, you remove this, you go over to plus here, okay, to automatic. This, you click on this circle, click for the file, then browse item, then browse, look at this, hold it, and then pull it into this place. So example, I want to split the song over here. So I click split, pull it down, then I can delete this away. Then I take this all the way, move it to the front. Behind, I will shorten it. So example, this is 1 to 24 seconds. Then I can set this session into 24. Okay, done. So once that is done, under my song, then you can save the song name, hold it, share, set as ringtone. Export, use sound as standard ringtone. Go to setting, it will be in setting.